All right, guys, it's finally here. We're going to talk a little bit about the Cobalt Kinetics Scrambler. This is the new suppressor that Cobalt just released, and I'm super excited to take you through it because it is freaking badass. Now, I know you're wanting to know what the actual specs are on this thing, so let's go ahead and run through some of them. So the first thing I can tell you is it's freaking light. At 4 3/4 inches long, this thing comes in at 6.2 ounces. So it's super lightweight. It doesn't change the balance of the rifle a whole lot, and it allows you to transition really effectively, which is one of my favorite things to do. It's fast target transitions. Now, the second thing that you're going to notice is we have a full waffle pattern all the way around this thing, which makes it super easy to take on and off, whether you're using direct thread method or you're actually running the QD muzzle brake with this. Now, the Scrambler has been optimized for a shorter barrel platform. That being said, you can run it on long barrels. We've tested all the way down to a 7.5 inch barrel, and it works really well for that. I've got this one set up on my 11.5. and this thing works great. Now, not only is this one of the quietest cans, especially in this size that I've shot, but it's also a low back pressure can, which means you're not getting all of the gas in your face. Instead, we have 6 flow-through ports up at the front. They're kind of baffled, so it's also not gonna just blast a ton of gas out. You're not getting a lot of bright flash. We also have a 3-prong flash hider built into this. I'm gonna show you some shooting here in just a little bit as the sun goes down that demonstrates just how effective that flash hiding capability is. Now, to answer a few of your questions about the internals of this can, we licensed the CGS patented variable core technology, which allows this thing to flow through and just be super quiet, effective, and accurate no matter what platform you're putting it on. That being said, the commercial product that we're gonna be launching is designed for the 5.56, but it works really well on 6 arc as well. So if you're running a 6mm, this can is gonna do the trick for it, but we are focusing on 5.56 for now. Now, everybody wants to know what the price point is gonna be on this, and if you wanna get the direct thread, price point is gonna be right about $1,200. And if you get the QD, which comes with our muzzle brake, it's going to be just a little bit higher, about $1,250. Now, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer those for you. We are expecting these to ship right around the January 1st timeframe, but pre-orders are open now. So don't waste any time, jump on this, be the first one to get yourself one of these badass new cans. You're not gonna regret it. They are freaking awesome.